Hi, I'm Rachel from Rachel's Guest Tutor at the Academy, and in today's cake hack I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful sculptural sail. So the way that we do this, and I get asked this question all the time, what I like to use is rice paper. So here I have a couple of packets, different sizes of rice paper for making spring rolls. I got these from my Chinese supermarket. A really unusual product. You wouldn't think to use that on a cake, but anyway, this is how we make it into a beautiful sculptural sail. Get your bit of rice paper, and it really is very simple. I've got a plate here with some water in, and all I'm going to do is soak my sail, let's push that out the way, in the water, and you'll slowly feel it start to get floppy and really malleable. So I'm going to turn it over, soak it again, and suddenly it will go from being, see, it's still a bit stiff at the moment, to going really, really floppy. And it does only take just about 30 seconds, any minute now. And then just while that's soaking, to my right here, I have on a baking tray, it doesn't matter, it could be any kind of tray, some silicone matting. My silicone matting happens to be a little bit bobbly, but if you had smooth silicone matting, that would be fine too. This rice paper has a little bit of a texture to it. Here you go, it's just starting to go floppy now. So the silicone matting is so that we can lay this over the top and form a shape with our rice paper. And the silicone matting enables us to peel it off when it's all nice and dry. So here we go, it's starting to go really, really nice and floppy. And what I like to do is rip it up a little. So I'm going to rip it in half. There we go, and it's quite tough until I get a little floppy piece like this, and then on my silicone matting I'm going to form it into a shape that I might like to use on my cake. So we've got a kind of feathered shape there, and you can move this matting around to get it to curve just like this lovely dry one that I've got. And what you then do is leave that either outside at room temperature for a good 24 hours until it's dried out completely, or I like to pop my oven on fan on really, really low for just about 15 minutes, and that will take away all the moisture, and then you can peel it off and you're left with a beautiful sculptural sail like this one.